Good morning, guys. Already, 8 o'clock. I am now hungry, so I'm preparing my like a breakfast. And this is noodles with seafood that I cooked yesterday. This is coming from the chiller, from the fridge, and I'm going to recook it. I'm just going to put some egg and mix it with that and reheat. It will be my breakfast. It is like that today. A lot of flower on the ground, yellow flower, small. You know, in the Philippines, we don't usually put egg in the noodles, but when I was working in Four Seasons before, that's where I saw they put egg. Similar to pad thai, but maybe it's a Singaporean noodles. I don't remember, or Malaysian way or Indonesian way, but not in the Philippines because in the Philippines usually just the noodles and it probably a seafood or a meat, but not egg. Look how it transforms. It looks beautiful now. I'll just make it hot and we'll be ready. This is how I'm going to eat the noodles with rice. When I was in Malaysia, in Thailand, the people are laughing. The waiter, they are laughing because I order like a noodles. Then I asked them for extra rice, and then they said, "You already have noodles." It is now 11 o'clock. Rafael was just here a while ago. He borrowed my other GoPro. I don't know, maybe he's going to do vlog or I don't know. I let him borrow that. I'm heating this. This is the pasta 2 days ago. Oh, burn. Okay, so this is my third coffee for the day. The time now is 3:15. I was actually just in here in the computer, and then I was already in the bed. I was trying to sleep, and then I got a video call from Jopel. Jopel is my colleague in also my housemate in Dubai before. He's working in as a HR. He's working in the HR. We had a chat, and he said he's planning to go to Canada or Australia. Yeah, and now I'm having this. We'll see you later. Good afternoon, guys. Already 5:40, and I'm going to have my dinner. Yeah, this is the sausage coming from Walmart, and I have this instant soup. I didn't do anything much today, but I was just on my computer. I am trying to, I'm finding a way to make money online, and I checked the website of Fiverr. Fiverr is basically a freelance, website where, for example, I edit video as I upload in the YouTube, right? So it means that I know how to edit video. So basically I sign up in there and I offer my service for video editing. Any one of us can do that. Something like to take pictures of something in the Philippines, to take pictures of Metro Manila and send it to the by request of the customer, or do some Facebook like or review or some professional jobs. Yeah, if you check the website of Fiverr, maybe there is a job that you can do, then yeah, you should register. Yeah, nice. Ah, I forgot my iPod. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I'll be having this. This is a Prosen, and I'm going to defrost. Yeah, it's good outside. The sun is in there. It just rise. You can hear the sound of the birds. Yeah, they are always playing there. There are different kinds that are coming on that this area. Yeah, really different. There are sometimes a lorikeet. They are playing on the ground, and those big birds like I don't know the name, but yeah, they are different. Oh, I forgot to switch on. 1 minute will be enough. No, it's 0. 1 minute 10 seconds. So yeah, this is my coffee now. It's very much similar to the cappuccino that you're going to buy outside. I will have my lunch at around 12 o'clock, and we'll have a coffee again at around 2 or 3 o'clock, and then another one at around 6 o'clock tonight. So I'm drinking coffee 4 times in a day, especially these days that I'm just at home. You see that it looks clean, but actually there are so many oil, as you can see. Yeah. And you know, the good thing about this is that they put fiberglass. Yeah, this is fiberglass all around the kitchen. As you can see, it's everywhere there. It's all fiberglass. So the dirt, you don't really see it. And I think it's easy to clean when it's fiberglass like this. Really nice. If I am going to have a kitchen and I can afford, I will do the same like this. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this is going to be my lunch. No other option. Yeah, still a good outside. Nice, nice weather. I am just here editing some of the vlog. The time now is 2:15, 16, and at the moment I can hear a music. Yeah, from the neighbor somewhere there. And the situation like this is similar to the Philippines. You're always going to hear music coming from the other house, from the neighbor. It's nice. Yeah.